I ordered tickets to the Indiana Pacer games. The date was going to be in March.
I purchased Phillies preseason tickets for Clearwater back on the 30th of December.
Alice Yellock and Mary Sweeney Lur don't know each other, but they share a common problem. Both purchased tickets from StubHub before the pandemic, but when the events were canceled, they say it seemed like game over when they didn't get their refunds they were promised.
And at that time, I was told that my initial inquiry into my refund had not been processed and that they were going to start the process now and that my refund should be arriving in 30 days.
Mary says StubHub later told her she would not get her $384.68 refund for another 120 days.
I'm going to get my money. I'm going to contact Harry Hairston.
Alice says the ticket company attempted to give her a coupon in place of her $287.90 refund.
I said, if I click on that coupon, that's going to be accepting of that, and I didn't want to accept that.
Just like Mary, Alice contacted NBC10 Responds. We reached out to StubHub for answers. It told us in the last few weeks, 40,000 events in the U.S. and Canada have been canceled, postponed, or rescheduled. And its statement says, in part, we act as an intermediary for buyers and sellers. In normal times, we've made the decision to refund buyers before collecting money from the seller to offer buyers more convenience. And with the coronavirus impacting so many events and the associated magnitude of challenge in recuperating monies owned by sellers over the coming months, it is currently impossible for us to offer immediate cash refunds to all buyers. StubHub says now its default refund policy in the U.S. and Canada is to offer a, quote, coupon worth 120% of the ticket value.
I recommend to everybody, get your money back now.
Consumer attorney Craig Kimmel says by law, companies must honor their original agreements with you.
The change in policy is not enforceable to people who bought their tickets before the change. It is enforceable to everybody who bought their tickets after the change.
Kimmel says it should not take months to get a refund.
I would give the company 7 to 10 days maximum.
As for Alice and Mary, both are satisfied. StubHub says it is refunding both of them.
Thanks to you, I got a full refund from StubHub.
Another person reached out to us about their event that was rescheduled, not canceled. StubHub says under that circumstance, it will not issue a refund, but will help the individual relist their tickets on its website. Also, there are multiple lawsuits against StubHub over its new refund policy. Those are making their way through various courts. Harry Hairston, NBC10 Responds.